R.I.P.
till we meet again.
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 Hey, hey, hey. Twinkle, twinkle, little star boy. How I wonder how it's gonna be. Where are you going to? I'm going overseas. Wake up, hey. Damn, it was a dream. Oh, you dig bro for survival. Bricklaying with my old man. Puff, puff, day for show glass. Boundary market was my playground. I wish say you there around to see how we dey go now. But I'm sure you already know. The last time I spoke with you, you prayed for me. Say my road go clear anywhere I touch down. I can't help the tears, spiritually, emotionally connected to you. But I go hold the legacy strong till we meet again, old boy.
R.I.P.
till we meet again.
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 Old boy, let your soul breathe. Keep resting, flex the paradise. Don't forget to put this song on repeat. See as you dey smile, this man says, are they glad say your pain don't relieve? Jim Reeves, across the bridge. Life is so short and fragile. Yeah. Okonye me chanke yona. I wish say you there around to see how we dey go now. But I'm sure you already know. The last time I spoke with you, you prayed for me. Say my road go clear anywhere I touch down. I can't help the tears, spiritually, emotionally connected to you. But I go hold the legacy strong till we meet again, old boy.
R.I.P.
till we meet again.
R.I.P.
till we meet again.